going.
Okay, it's got the electronic brake in it. This old guy's got to move it slow so that we
What's the
don't get
maximum
hurt.
RPM on it?
We don't get hurt.
It's probably on the table there.
$1,062.
1,062?
Right. And all variances thereof. It's an excellent threading machine. It's tight. You can hog with it.
Can you fire back up and move the carriage for me and all that?
Is there anything in the way? Because I move stuff around. I don't want to.
Yeah, we'll find out. If you hit something, we'll quit.
Well,
Oh, that's good. We're good.
I want to move this.
No. You want me to put the feet in the other way?
Sure, go ahead, do whatever. Do some operations.
Put the half nut in, you switch stuff around, and then that works the trick.